Hi, this is Prime with Rival Theory. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of our new Squad Command Advanced Warfighter AI package available on the Unity Assets Store. The purpose of the package is to show you how to create shooter AI for a warfighting game, and in the package we give you all the pieces you need to get up and running quickly. The package is centered around a main scene that we've given you here, and a number of AI characters that we've created that represent defenders and attackers in this area. Now all of our different characters are soldiers, and for defenders we've given you a commander soldier and then a number of regular foot soldiers. In addition, we've given you a player character and then a number of attacker characters that serve as squad mates for the player. We'll go take a look at these over here. I'm going to go ahead and play the scene just for a second so you see what it looks like, and then we'll walk through the different pieces that are available to you inside of the package. Now when I hit play, we can see that we have a formation here that's going to start patrolling through our scene. That's the commanding character here, and then the number of foot soldiers forming up behind him. This package does include everything you need to create different types of formations, different shapes, different spreads. We'll go through those in just a minute. When I hit the space bar, I can drop in as the player, and you can see here that I have 3 squad mates with me. There are different commands you can give to these squad mates, but for the purposes of just showing how this works, I'm just going to jump in and get into a fight really quickly here. This is an L-shaped level, so as soon as I turn the corner here, I should get into my firefight. Alright, so I've died and my squad mates have died really quickly there. Now there's different things we can do to tweak the AI to make it easier to play against, to make it more difficult to play against, and also to make sure that we survive longer by giving different commands to our squad and playing maybe a little bit more tactically. But for now, let's just jump in and look at the different pieces of the project. The first piece we can look at is the set of behaviors associated with each of our characters. Now in the scene that we just played, we saw a couple of those behaviors, including the patrol behavior and the attack behavior. We also have behaviors defined for finding cover, flanking the enemy, and providing cover fire for the player when you're under attack. All of the AI in this project is run by RAIN, the artificial intelligence engine from Rival Theory. If we go to the RAIN behavior tree editor, we can see that we've organized all of the behavior based on the character class. We have a behavior associated with attackers, the commander, the player, snipers, and soldiers, along with a number of common behaviors that are shared between those. This project also contains a number of AI custom elements. Those are reusable AI components that we can use to define other AI in this project or in any other project we may have. Let's take a look at a couple of those now. We'll start with our formation system. If I move over to look at the commander, he has a number of components on him called triangle, column, and squad, which represent different types of formations that his soldiers can follow. Let's click on the column formation and display the visualization. And here you can see the different spots that the AI will have to follow if they're moving in formation. That's completely configurable. I can change the number of columns in the formation, number of members in the formation, and even the distance between them and how spread out they are. The formation system is completely customizable. You can use it to create whatever formation type you'd like. There are also a number of other elements on the AI, including an aiming and firing system that lets us define accuracy and reaction time and can be used by the AI in the behavior tree to fire the weapon, manage reloading, and things like that. We have a health and damage system. For each AI we can define the amount of health that it has, when death occurs, how that interacts with the behavior tree system, and even do things like have automatic health regeneration after some time. We have a tactical positioning system. We can use that to define cover positions in our scene. If we look here, you can see those defined by the green dots, and also tactical positions. Here the red dots define threat areas that the AI may want to be aware of when it's doing tactical decision making. We also have a team system where we can define the different teams that the AI are on so they can automatically know which other AI, which other characters, which other players in the system are enemies and which one they can communicate with through team channels. Finally, we have a communication system where we can define different channels that the AI can listen to and receive commands and other information, threat information, anything that you need to specify between the different AI in the scene. So lots of different elements there that are totally reusable. We can use those in lots of different project types, and they're really, really easy to configure and manage through the behavior tree system. This project also contains a number of different scenes that are set up to show you how you can define different types of behavior and different types of scenarios with all the different assets in the project. Those include this scene, which is our patrol scene. It includes a sniper scene. And if we look at that here, we can see that we have snipers in different positions around this building, just to show you how you can define a little bit of a different behavior for different types of defenders. We have an endless spawning scene, and we've defined and created a spawner component for you that you can place in your level to automatically spawn waves of AI characters over time. And finally, we have our big team battle. And in the big team battle scene, we have two competing armies, one here and one across the level over here. We can use that to see what it's like when large groups of AI come together and fight it out. Okay, so I hope that's a helpful overview of the new Squad Command Advanced Warfighter AI package from Rival Theory. There's plenty more to do here, plenty more for you to dig into. All of the behavior is included and is fully customizable. All of the code is included. It's well organized and it's fully documented. We're also going to be creating additional tutorial videos that will be available from the Rival Theory website. Those will walk you through the different pieces, how to use them, and how to understand them better. We'll also be creating a tutorial video that shows you how to take all of the different pieces from this project to create a new project of your own. All right, that's it for now. This is Prime from Rival Theory. Thanks.